Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun 99 Nights in the Forest video, I'll be showing you how to draw the deer versus the bat. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest deer versus bat battle, let's begin right up here with the bat. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape for the eye. Then for the nose, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up like a V shape. I'm going to go down and kind of curve it around. I'm just going to make a couple little dots inside of there for the nose. Right here on the other side of the nose, I'm going to make another little oval shape for the other eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in, out, and in. I'll make another little point here. Now I'm just going to kind of curve this line around. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve up and then down for the ear. Same thing here, up and then down. We'll make a little line that's going to curve up for the inside part. Let's make 2 points for the fangs. And let's make a line that's going to come down and then over and up. And we'll do that same thing, just kind of bring it around here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to kind of curve it here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down for the leg, and then same thing here, up, and then we're going to bring this line down. And we're going to leave it there because we're going to make it part of like the deer is going to be holding on to the leg. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back. We're going to make a couple little points, and then we're going to bring this up and then into here. I'm going to kind of curve this line up. I'm going to make this line come over. Then I'm going to bring this up to here. And then I'm going to put a little hook on here for that claw. I'm going to make this line kind of come out and down with a skinny point, and we're going to bring this up. We'll do another little bit shorter one here. We'll do another one here. And then we'll do one more skinny one here. I'm going to bring this line down and then in. Then we'll just kind of connect these with some bumps and put a little curve here for the hook. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, bring this one up, and put a little hook on it. Bring this one down and then in, and kind of same thing, down and in, and then one more down and in. Bring this one down and then over here. Make a couple little curves right here just to connect it, and a little curve there. Next, over here, I'm going to make the deer. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for the eye. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve out and then back in here like an oval. We're going to color in a little dot right there. I'll make a partial oval right here. Then I'm going to make a circle shape here and a kind of oval shape there for the pupils. I'm going to bring this line up and down with a couple points. I'm going to bring it over. Now I'm going to bring this line down and up for the mouth, and then another one's going to kind of come down and then up here. Make a little line that's going to kind of curve out and in for the ear, and then same thing here. And we're going to make that same kind of shape right inside of there. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out, and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this out a couple points, and I'm going to bring this up. Let's make a sharp curve for one of the claws. And then we're just going to make some more sharp claws right around here and kind of connect. I'll make a line that's going to come over and then right to here. I want to make a long curve here, and then I'm going to make a bump, and a bump, and we're going to make these kind of come out right here. So it looks like the deer is kind of grabbing onto the leg of the bat. We're going to make 3 little points here to kind of show the foot of the bat. Then we're going to bring this line up and then into here. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line over to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and in. And then right here, I'm going to bring this kind of over and in. We'll make this down, and we'll make a little curve for the hoof. Bring this line up and in. I'll make a line that comes down here with a little curve for the hoof. We'll bring this line up and in. I'm going to curve this line up, and I'm going to curve this line up. Next, we're going to make the antlers. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and down. Make this kind of come up and down, and then up and down. We're going to bring this down and put a little point there. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to make like a little point, and we're going to draw these right on top of the bat's wing, just because we're going to color these in all black, so we won't even need to see all that part. And there you go. There is your drawing of the bat versus the deer from 99 Nights in the Forest. Definitely have to let me know in the comments who you think would win this really epic battle, and if you'd like to see some more videos like this. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.